Have you ever looked in the mirror and felt like life is slipping away from your hands? Have you ever asked yourself, am I really living or am I just wasting my days? Many people wake up every morning but never truly live their life. They scroll on their phone, complain about problems, and let their dreams die silently inside them. But remember this, your life is not a game. You only get one chance, one life, and one story to write. Don't throw it away by being careless. This story, this lesson, is not just about learning English. It is about learning life. So listen carefully, repeat, understand, and let these words become a fire inside you. Because today, you will learn not only English, but also the secret to saving your own life. Chapter 1. The Gift of Life. Life is a gift, but too many people forget that it is a gift. They wake up each morning with tired eyes and heavy hearts, feeling like their existence does not matter, feeling like they are lost in a world that has no place for them. They look at their problems, their failures, their disappointments, and they start to believe a dangerous lie, that their life is worthless. But let me tell you, your life has more value than you can imagine. The fact that you are breathing right now means you still have a purpose, you still have a chance, you still have a future. Don't throw your life away just because today feels hard. Don't give up when tomorrow can still surprise you. Sometimes we are standing so close to our breakthrough, but because we are tired, we quit too early. Do not quit. Do not throw your life away. Imagine a farmer who plants seeds but digs them out the next day because he thinks nothing is growing. He loses the harvest because he gave up too soon. Life works the same way. If you throw it away too early, you will never see the beauty waiting to grow. Chapter 2. Why people give up. Many people throw their life away not by one big decision, but slowly, day by day. They stop caring for themselves. They stop chasing their dreams. They stop believing that things can change. They waste their time on distractions. They stay in places that hurt them. They listen to voices that tell them they are not enough. Slowly, they let their light fade. But your life is too precious to waste like that. You were not born to only eat, sleep, and scroll endlessly on your phone. You were not born to only suffer. You were born to create, to love, to learn, to grow, to make a difference. Even if it is a small difference, even if it is only in your own world, it matters. Your life matters. If you throw it away, the world will lose something it can never replace: you. Many people give up because of failure. They fail an exam. They lose money. They lose love. And they think life is over. But failure is not the end. Failure is only feedback. Every mistake is a teacher. If you throw your life away because of failure, you also throw away the chance to succeed later. Chapter 3. Pain is temporary. It is true that life is not easy. Nobody said it would be easy. People will betray you. People will laugh at you. People will make you feel like you are invisible, like you are nothing. You may fail in exams. You may lose a job. You may watch someone you love walk away. The weight of all this can make you think about giving up. But pain is not the end. Pain is temporary. Pain is a teacher. Every strong person you admire today has gone through moments of pain. Nelson Mandela spent 27 years in prison, but he came out and became a symbol of freedom. Nick Vujicic was born without arms and legs, but he travels the world to inspire millions. J.K. Rowling was rejected again and again before Harry Potter became famous. What if they had thrown their lives away? The world would have lost their story. And now think, What about you? What story is hidden inside you? What will the world lose if you throw your life away? Every night ends with a sunrise. Every storm ends with calm skies. Every tear dries. Your pain will pass too, but only if you keep going. Chapter 4. The lies of the mind. Your mind will try to trick you. It will whisper lies like, "You are not good enough. You will never succeed. Nobody cares about you." But these are lies. You are good enough. You can succeed. You can change your life. And even if nobody is cheering for you right now, you can still keep going until one day the same people who ignored you will clap for you. You must learn to fight your own thoughts. Every time a negative thought comes, fight it with a positive one. Say it out loud. Practice it in English if you want. Say, "I am strong. I will not give up. My life has value. My dreams are waiting for me." The more you say it, the more your heart will believe it, and the more your actions will follow. Imagine training your brain like a muscle. At first it feels weak, but the more you practice, the stronger it gets. The stronger it gets, the easier it becomes to silence the lies and believe the truth. Chapter 5. The Power of Small Steps. When you feel weak, remember the power of small steps. You don't need to fix your whole life in one day. You don't need to solve all your problems tonight. You only need to take one small step forward. Wake up and make your bed. Drink water. Go for a short walk. Learn one new English word. Read one page of a book. These are not useless things. They are proof that you are alive and moving forward. Progress is not always loud. Sometimes it is quiet and invisible. But if you keep walking, step by step, you will reach a place you never thought possible. The mistake is not walking slowly. The mistake is stopping completely. Don't stop. Small steps every day are more powerful than big steps once in a while. It is like climbing a mountain. You don't run to the top. You walk slowly, step by step. But one day, you look down and see how far you have come. Chapter 6. Wasting Life. Throwing your life away does not always mean ending it. Sometimes it means wasting it. Spending hours comparing yourself to others on social media. Staying in a toxic relationship where you are not respected. Refusing to use your talents. Hiding your voice because you are scared of judgment. These are also ways people throw life away without noticing. You must protect your time and your energy. Time is the most expensive thing you have, more valuable than money. Money lost can be earned again, but time lost never returns. Every second you waste is gone forever. So use your time wisely. Build yourself. Learn skills. Improve your English. Grow in confidence. Do not waste the gift of time. If you waste years now, you will regret it later. Life is too short for regrets. Value every moment you have. Chapter 7. Turning Pain into Power. When life is painful, remember that pain can break you, but it can also build you. The strongest steel is made in the hottest fire. Your pain today can make you stronger tomorrow if you don't give up. Don't see pain as punishment. See it as preparation. It is shaping you, teaching you, making you ready for the future you asked for. When you feel pain, instead of running away, learn from it. Write about it in a journal. Express it through art or music. Use it as energy to study harder, work harder, and rise higher. Pain is not the end of your story. It is part of your training. Many successful people will tell you that their darkest moments became their greatest motivation. Your pain can be the same. It can become your fuel if you don't throw your life away. Chapter 8, Learning English, Learning Life. And while you are fighting these battles, never forget that you are learning English too. You are not just listening to motivation. You are also growing in your skills. That itself is proof that you don't want to throw your life away. Every new word you learn is a step forward. Every sentence you practice is a new door opening for you. When you repeat phrases like, "I will not give up," "I am strong," "I can do it," you are not just practicing English, you are also building your mindset. Language and life go hand in hand. Both need practice, patience, and persistence. Many people quit too early, but if you don't quit, you will see results. Just like learning English, life requires mistakes, patience, and practice. Don't be afraid of mistakes. Be afraid of not trying. Chapter 9, The Future. Waiting for you. Close your eyes for a moment and imagine your future. Imagine yourself standing strong, confident, successful, smiling with pride. Imagine the house you want to live in, the family you want to love, the dreams you want to achieve. This future is possible, but only if you don't throw your life away today. The road may be long, the nights may be dark, but every step you take brings you closer to that vision. If you give up now, you will never see it. But if you keep going, one day you will look back and say, "I'm glad I didn't quit. I'm glad I kept fighting." The best version of you is waiting in the future, but you can only meet that version if you survive the challenges of today. Don't cheat yourself out of your own story. Don't throw away the chance to meet the stronger you. Chapter 10, A Promise to Yourself. Make a promise to yourself right now. Say, "I will not throw my life away. I will fight for my dreams. I will grow every day. I will believe in myself." This promise is not just words. This promise is power. Carry it with you every morning. Repeat it when you feel tired. Remind yourself when life feels heavy. The world may not believe in you, but you must believe in yourself. Because one day, when you rise, the same world will have no choice but to notice. Remember, people only clap when the show is good, but before the show, the actor practices in silence. Right now is your practice. Don't quit before the performance. Chapter 11, Life is Worth Living. Your life is worth living. Your story is not finished. You are more powerful than you think, more valuable than you know, and more capable than you feel right now. Don't throw your life away. Don't waste it. Don't give up. Rise, fight, learn, grow, and love. And when you look back years from now, you will be proud that you stayed strong, proud that you kept going, proud that you didn't throw away the most precious gift you were ever given, your life. My friend, life is short. Every second that passes will never come back again. You can choose to waste your life by doing nothing, by doubting yourself, by living in fear, or you can choose to rise, to fight, to build, and to live with meaning. Don't throw your life away. Your story is still being written, and the pen is in your hands. Stand up today and say, "I will not waste my life. I will learn. I will grow. I will live fully." And remember, every time you practice English here, you are not only improving your language, you are also improving your future. So keep repeating, keep learning, and keep moving forward. Because the world is waiting for your story. And your story will be beautiful if you decide not to throw your life away.